Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science online video. Today we'll be looking at this non-calculator question which is worth 4 marks. It says the diagram shows a square ABCD with sides of lengths 20 centimeters. It also shows a semicircle and an arc of a circle. It says AB is the diameter of the semicircle and AC is the arc of a circle with a center B. It says show that the area of the shaded region over the area of the square is equal to pi over 8. So the first and foremost thing that we're going to be doing is we'll be looking to work at the area of the region. Now to work at the area of the region, what we need to do, we need to work at the area of the sector. Now you should recognize from this diagram that as this is a square, this is going to be 90 degrees. This is worth 20 centimeters. This is also 20 centimeters as well. Okay, so let's work at the areas of the sector ABC. What we have over there is 90 over 360. So let's quickly write that down. It's going to work out to be 90 over 360 degrees multiplied by the area of the circle, which is going to be pi, multiplied by the radius squared. Now the radius in this instance is going to be 20, so that's going to be 20 squared. So let's write that down. And the area of the semicircle, well, it's a half of a circle, which is going to work out to be a half of pi times radius squared. Pi times, and in this instance, because AB is the diameter of 20, therefore the radius is going to work out to be half of that, which is going to be 10. So pi times radius squared, and therefore you're going to get something like this. 90 over 360 is a quarter, multiplied by pi, multiplied by 20 squared, which is 400. And what we do, we subtract that from a half, multiplied by pi, multiplied by 10 squared, which is 100. And so therefore a quarter of 400 is 100 lots of pi, minus a half of 100, which is 50 lots of pi. And then therefore when you subtract them from each other, you end up getting 50 pi. Now let's take this to the next step then. So we need to work at the area of the square. Well, to work at the area of the square, what you need to do, you need to multiply the length and multiply by the width. So therefore you will end up getting something like this. Well, we know the length is 20 and we know the width is also 20. So 20 multiplied by 20 is equal to 400 centimeters squared. So that's 400 centimeters squared. 2 times 2 is 4. Times by 10 is 400 centimeters squared. This is 50 pi centimeters squared. Now we have that information over here. Let's place this over here. The area of the shaded region is going to work out to be 50 pi. Let's write that down. And the area of, let's write that down. The area of the square is going to work out to be 400. So let's write that down over here as well. It's all in centimeters squared. Let's cancel that down then. Let's cancel that down. Divide this by 50. Divide this by 50. And you will be left with 1 part over here, 8 parts over there. And therefore your final answer, which works out to be, which, let me just put that over there in blue, which works out to be 1 times pi is pi, and then all over 8. And that's exactly what we require. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. It really does help me. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you. Goodbye.